Hey there! Today, I'm going to share a super easy way to get accurate results with ChatGPT. If you've ever felt stuck trying to get the right answer or just want your prompts to be more effective, this video is for you. We're diving into a simple formula that anyone can follow. Use these simple steps to make ChatGPT work for you. So, what's the secret to getting those 99% accurate results? It all comes down to setting up your prompts using a structure. Think of it as filling in blanks with some key pieces of info. Let's break it down together. Step 1 is role. Here, you're going to imagine ChatGPT as a person with a specific skill. It's like putting on a costume. Let's say you want marketing advice. You could start with, "You are an experienced LinkedIn marketing strategist." Just like that, ChatGPT now has a role. This helps it think in the right direction. Step 2 is context. Now you're going to tell ChatGPT the situation or the background. It's like giving it the story behind your question. So, if you're a business owner trying to save time, you might say, "I'm a digital marketing agency owner looking to promote the benefits of virtual assistants." Easy, right? Next, we have the task. This is what you actually want ChatGPT to do. You're asking it to create or suggest something specific. For example, your task is to create content promoting the benefits of virtual assistants for productivity, cost savings, and support. This part keeps the response focused. Step 4 is all about guidelines. Here's where you set the rules. Tell ChatGPT how to format the response or key points you want it to cover. Like, create an article outline that flows logically. This makes sure the response is clear and easy to follow. Moving on to style. You want to guide ChatGPT on the tone and feel. Do you want it to be friendly, professional, or even funny? For our example, we could say, "Use a professional but friendly tone." It helps to shape the vibe of the response. Finally, we have refine. This is where you ask ChatGPT to polish things up. Say something like, "Refine this content with expressive language and add examples." This step makes your response smoother and more interesting. All right, to sum it all up, here's the simple formula. Role, context, task, guidelines, style, and refine. Plug in those details, and you'll get accurate and helpful responses from ChatGPT every time. So, go ahead, give this formula a try, and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Reach out for more examples. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. See you next time.